Alright, quick update on the custom 400 Bedslinger build. I've got the Z-rails, linear bearings mounted. The gantry itself is actually mounted. I was hoping to get the X linear bearing mounted, but I lost my tools. I'm going to have to print some more. And then after that, I'm just waiting on the Z lead screws for both sides, and then build the hot end. I'll do videos on building the hot end, and then I just got to wire it up and we should be in business. See how it goes from there. Thanks.